Connecting your HP laptop to an LG monitor can significantly upgrade your workspace and provide a more comfortable and productive environment. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you accomplish this task seamlessly. Firstly, you need to ensure you have the right equipment in place. You'll need your HP laptop, the LG monitor, and a cable to connect them. The cable type can be HDMI, VGA, DVI, or DisplayPort, depending on what your devices support. Note that HDMI and DisplayPort support both audio and video signals, while VGA and DVI are video only. To begin, inspect your HP laptop and LG monitor for video ports. They're typically located on the side or back of the devices. Identify the type of port, whether VGA, HDMI, DVI, or DisplayPort, and ensure you have the compatible cable. If your laptop and monitor do not share a common port, don't worry. Adapters are readily available that can convert one signal type to another, like VGA to HDMI. You would need to purchase the appropriate one. Next, plug one end of your cable into your HP laptop and the other into your LG monitor. Make sure the connections are snug and secure. Moreover, if you're using an adapter, connect it to your laptop first, and then connect the cable from the adapter to the monitor. Now, turn on your HP laptop and LG monitor. On your monitor, select the input that corresponds to where you plugged the cable into. You can usually find this option on the monitor's on-screen menu, accessed using buttons located on the monitor itself. Once your LG monitor is set to the correct input, it should automatically detect the signal from your HP laptop. If it doesn't immediately, navigate to your laptop's display settings. On a Windows laptop, you can do this by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Display Settings. Here, click the Detect button to help your laptop find the monitor. Once detected, you can choose how you want your display to work, either extend your laptop's display or duplicate it onto your LG monitor. Adjust other settings such as resolution and orientation to your liking. Finally, click on Apply, followed by Keep Changes to save your settings. Now, your HP laptop should be successfully connected to your LG monitor, providing you an enhanced workspace. Remember, this process can slightly vary depending on the specific models of your HP laptop and LG monitor and the operating system of your laptop. If you encounter any issues, consult your device manuals or contact customer support. Setting up a dual monitor system can seem intimidating at first, but with the right steps, it's an achievable task. It's an excellent way to enhance productivity and create a more comfortable work environment. With this guide in hand, you're ready to take on this upgrade, empowering your computing experience. If you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.